Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I am working on the dot grid pages to customize a page for my June printable inserts that are available to Scrapcraftastic Patreon elites. So I'd already kind of started, but I decided to turn the camera on and bring you along with me. I started out with this notepad, and I have a ton of different notepads. This is kind of not my style of thing, but it's fine for a notepad. And before I even thought about the notepad, I'd done the little pastel rainbow using my Tombow markers here, and I've used these in my B6 Stalogy as well. I kind of wanted to incorporate some of the more fun, I say fruity, I don't know, fun elements into this layout. Basically, let me show you what it's made from. So when you get the inserts, you have a title page. What is on here? I got something on there already. So you have a title page, then you have two blank pages that are dot grid to customize how you please. You have the monthly, and then you get into the weeklies. And the weeklies come in horizontal and vertical. I usually don't do anything with these pages, but I need to kind of focus on my video ideas a little bit more and kind of organize my thoughts, especially for some things I have coming up in July. So I think now is the time to put these pages to use. Hopefully I will use them and not just write down ideas on old envelopes and receipts, which is kind of what I tend to do now. I also have just a regular spiral notebook where I kind of jot down any and everything, but it's all mixed up in there. So I need to pull those things out and have somewhere to put them. And even though this changes every month, hopefully I'll get through the ideas that I have each month, and if not, then I'll just transfer those over to the next month. Okay, so initially I was going to just tip this in on the page or just tape it down, use this page as well as this list page. I think the list page, the pink is a little too bold for what I have going on here. Maybe, I don't know. But then I remembered that I had these stickers that were sent to me in Happy Mail, and also these little note pages that were sent to me in Happy Mail, and I feel like the color schemes go perfectly with what I've started on this page. And so I'm thinking I can incorporate some of these pages, especially this one. I think this one is really pretty. And even if I add this page to the page, I can still write on this. I can use this as a way to break down the section. I can turn it this way. I don't know, but I kind of wanted to do something with these. And then, I don't know, I think I want to take these out of the packaging also because it's kind of sticky from where it was initially closed. So all of these pages are the same, but they also have that rainbow look. I think I can use those as well. And then this is a little more colorful than I want to go, but I don't have to use the brown. I can just use the pink and maybe the teal color. We'll see how it goes. So I have all of that. I don't think I'll be using these. And then I also have this line art page from Let's Get Planned. It's called She, and I thought I would incorporate this as well, and I may incorporate this first. I just cut these from a piece of the notepad page, so you can do that too. If you have elements on something that you like and you kind of wanted to use them but they're not stickers, just cut them out and use them. Just a little tape or a glue stick works wonders. So I think I want to put this down over here. So I'm going to use these, but I want to keep in mind that I want this to be functional. However, I also want it to be decorated and cute because I don't know. That's just how I like things. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put that there like that. And then do this one on the other side. Like this. Probably should be using the tweezers to do this. And I didn't take the pages out because I was just kind of working on it. I didn't really have an idea when I started. It just kind of evolved into this. So I'm just leaving the papers in for now. Then I thought she would be good. Oh, we're missing her eye. This is the way it cut. Do we need it? Yeah, we need it. I think that's good. And then over here, I might wait before I place her. So I just don't know how I want to place this. If I want the whole thing. Oh, also I was using the graph washi tape. Let me see, where is that? Let's get that out again. So just to tie the two pages together, I'm going to add a piece of that over here. I kind of need to bring that on across, I think. So I'm going to do that. Initially, I wasn't going to, but I think I need to. And I did about 3 squares for each color. Okay, so that is done. Then I did kind of do a shaky outline with my micron. So let's do that. So hopefully that matches. All right, so that kind of helps pull the 2 pages together. Now, do I want to do the drip is the question. Because I am going to have the little ice cream cones. Let's see what this looks like. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do it because I kind of like it. So let's do that. Ooh, that just jumped down on the page, but it's like little washi stickers. And I think I want to move that over. And we're going to have to cut some of that off. Do I want to put some at the bottom? I feel like I'm doing a lot here, but we'll see. Then let's put the ice cream up top, but then I could also put some at the bottom. Let's cut this one off and see what it looks like. Let's do a little cutting some of the excess off. And then if she goes here, I think I'm going to end up putting this over here like that. I'm going to go ahead and put her down so I can get a better feel for the page, because I'm just not feeling it. Or I could just do this. I didn't want to, but I don't know. I felt the need to. Let's do this. Or maybe I should cut it straight. Let's cut it straight. And then I can like pop that up there. Let's commit. I'm gonna commit and go ahead and put this in place. I'm just gonna use this tape runner. Add the butterflies. This needs something here. I guess I can put that there, but it just looks odd. Maybe if I put a piece of that drip. Now I'm kind of regretting tearing this, but maybe I can use it in another project somewhere. Let's use that here. I'm gonna put that there just because I already cut it out. Might as well use it, right? I guess I won't use the feathers and balloons either. So I'll save that. Oh, I could use a label. I could do that. One of my label stickers would look decent there. I don't know if that works, but oh, maybe I need to add one more. Then I have these checklist washies. I have different sets and I haven't been using them. So let's add some of this. This is so busy now, but let's see what we can do. It's super duper busy. It's out of my comfort zone, but I just want to do something different. Gotta keep it different and fresh so I don't get bored. So I did end up not actually using this, using some of the paper that was sent to me in Happy Mail. I used the grid washi was sent to me in Happy Mail. The stickers are from Let's Get Planned. The label stickers are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. And I use the Tombow markers. So I can do Scrapcraftastic or Journal Life's Journey in these two places. Maybe do shorts here or any combination, switching it around either way. Okay, so that's it. I just wanted to pop on and work on that with you. Not sure how I feel about it, but I do like the color scheme. I think I just kind of maybe did a little too much, but I just wanted to experiment and have fun, and there's nothing wrong with that. That is how you find out what works and what doesn't work. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.